欢迎来到我们的探索系列，我们将带着大家一起学习，发现这个世界上的科学现象或自然景观以及各式各样的动植物。在每一集中，我们将沉浸于新的主题，透过艾玛的视野学到不同的小知识，让我们一起在探索自然界的奇妙旅程中学习和成长。不要忘记订阅我们的频道，并按赞支持我们，这样您就不会错过任何精彩的内容。
Hello, Transport Trailblazers. I'm Emma, and today we're embarking on a high-speed journey through the evolution of transportation. From the first wheel to the latest electric car, let's see how getting from here to there has changed over time. Long ago, the only way to travel was on foot. Then came inventions like the wheel and the sailboat, changing how people explored the world. Horses and camels became the engines of the ancient world, carrying people and goods across land and sea. The Industrial Revolution kicked things into high gear. The invention of the steam engine powered trains and ships, making travel faster and more efficient than ever before. Cities grew, and the world became more connected. Next, the automobile and the airplane took center stage. Cars gave people the freedom to travel on their own schedule, while airplanes turned days-long journeys into mere hours, making the world smaller and more accessible. As our cities grew, so did our need for smarter, cleaner transport. Innovations like electric cars, high-speed trains, and even self-driving vehicles are shaping the future of how we move. They're faster, safer, and kinder to our planet. Public transportation is also key to a sustainable future. Buses, subways, and light rail systems make it easier for everyone to get around, reducing traffic and pollution in our cities. Transportation isn't just about technology, it's about people. It connects us to our jobs, schools, and loved ones. It's a vital part of our communities and our everyday lives. Imagine you're an inventor, dreaming up the next great way to travel. What would it be? A flying bike, a hoverboard, or something even we haven't thought of yet? Your ideas could steer us into the future. That's our high-speed tour through the history of transportation today. Remember, every journey, big or small, has the power to bring us closer and take us further. Keep exploring, stay inventive, and join me next time for more adventures in the fast lane of history. Bye, Transport Innovators.
如果你喜欢今天的小故事，请帮我们按赞和订阅。如果有想要听的故事类型，也欢迎底下留言给我们。让我们期待下个故事。Bye。